Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle an issue, your taskbar not showing up. This is a frustrating problem, but I got some quick and easy solution to help you fix it. Let's dive right in. Quick fix. First, let's start with some quick fix. Sometimes a simple restart can solve this issue. If your taskbar is missing, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Then select Task Manager. From here, find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your desktop and, in most cases, bring back your taskbar. Check taskbar settings. If does not work, let's check your taskbar setting. Go to Setting by pressing Windows plus I. Next, go to Personalizations. Then click on Taskbar. Make sure Taskbar automatically hide is turned off. Sometimes the taskbar is just hidden and turning this off will make it reappear. Restart Windows Explorer via command prompt. Now, if the first two steps did not help, we can use command prompt to restart Windows Explorer. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and press Enter. In the command prompt, type this command. Then press Enter. This command will restart Windows Explorer, which should also bring back your taskbar. 4. Windows Update. If you're still having trouble, it might be due to bug in Windows 11. Microsoft release updates to fix like this, so it's a good idea to check for updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click the Check for Update. If there an update available, install it and restart your PC. 5. System File Checker. Another possible cause is corrupted system files. To fix it, we can use System File Checker tools. Go to the Start menu and type CMD and right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type in sfc/scan now. Press Enter. This will scan for and repair any corrupted system files. Once it's done, restart your computer and hopefully the taskbar issue will be fixed. Reset Windows. As a last resort, if none of this method work, you must need to reset your Windows settings. Go to Settings, then System, and select Recovery. Click on Reset this PC and choose Keep your current files. This will reset system settings and should fix any persistent issue with the taskbar. Alright, that is for today's video. I hope one of this method helped you fix the taskbar issue on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Also let me know in the comment if you had any other solution that worked for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.